guys, what's up? It's your girl Small Cherise. I have the same exact look and everything going on because you guys see me do my blowout look in a previous video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I colored my hair, and I'm also going to be showing you guys how I kind of just got it laid nice and flat. I love this color. It's like my signature color. This color is Simone all day, every day. So it might look a tad bit green in this video. When I was washing out the color, by an accident, I shampooed it because I picked up the wrong bottle and it turned it a tad bit greener. That's what happens when you drink a little gin and do your hair at the same time. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by using DYHAIR777, and this is their straight lace frontal fabulous wig, and I have it in 20 inches. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started on the coloring process. So you guys know I always use BW2 powder with 40 developer in order to brighten the hair, aka lift the hair, so that when the color goes onto the hair, it shows the way I want it to show. So I didn't want the hair to be super blonde. I kind of just wanted it to be a nice light brown. The lighter the hair is, the brighter the color will show. And I like this color to be kind of like subtle-ish. Some might argue that it looks really bright, but I like it to be very subtle. Point blank period. As you can see right here, I'm using the brush sideways, and I'm doing that because I absolutely hate when there's a harsh line of just color, but I think it looks 10 times better when it's a little bit more jagged, so that it looks a little bit much more natural, you know? So this is me pretty much just bringing the color up to the root a little bit more, and then just kind of getting in there and making sure that I didn't miss any spots. I kept the color on for a total of 1 hour, and then I went ahead and shampooed the hair 3 times. It's very important that you shampoo all the residue out of this hair, because once you put the color on, guys, you kind of can't shampoo anymore. You can only condition, and that feeling with the residue in your hair feels very disgusting. So make sure you spend time shampooing it and making sure you get all the BW2 powder and 40 developer out of the hair. Now I'm just going in with my indigo blue. So I used 2 bottles of indigo blue and 1 bottle of aquamarine, and I went ahead and I just mixed them together and kind of just spread them all over the hair. So the hair color should have looked like this, but since I shampooed it, which you should not shampoo your hair at all, I did by an accident, it came out to be a greener color, which is kind of what I wasn't going for, but I'll take it because it still was pretty. So yeah, then after this I went ahead and conditioned and kept the color on for about an hour. Now I'm going to go ahead and just use some foundation, and I never use concealer for this because it's always bright and it looks weird in pictures, but I use foundation because it helps to brighten up the part a little bit if you don't want to go ahead and make the part any much more wider. So it helps a lot to use foundation. You don't have to use it all the time, but if you know you're going to be taking pictures or video, it helps a little bit to make it look like you have a part there, because I really didn't want to go in and pluck the part any more wider. I didn't really want to. Then I'm going to go in with my hot tool, my hot comb. This thing works amazing, and I use this to flatten out the frontal. The thing about this wig is it's very thick in the middle of the wig. Like where the part is, it's super thick. So you probably will need a hot comb or flatten each row by row just to get it to lay flat. So yeah, that was the only issue I had with this wig, is it was so full in that section. So did I say enough details for you guys? Did you guys get everything? Let me know. Everything is self-explanatory. If you've seen my past videos, you know how I color my hair already. So you can go check those out. I have a few links down below for you guys. See you guys.